Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of my going back to when I was a kid cars videos. In part 1 I showed you a load of cars. If you haven't seen that, go and check it out, but this is part 2. I think we'll start off with this F-150 truck. Ford F-150. Plymouth Superbird. Another one of my favourites. Big spoiler on the back. Looks cool with the matte back roof as well. There is the Plymouth Superbird. And we have Barracuda, which as you can see has been lowered. Another cool looking one with a black roof. There's the Barracuda. And we have Ferrari 512M. Another cool looking car, especially with the back opening like that. You can see the engine and transmission there. Ferrari. Then we have this, what is it? Mongoose. This is a drag car. When it opens like that, or the body opens up like that. Cool looking drag machine. Next up we have another Plymouth, this time in yellow, the matte black roof, go nicely with the blue one. There's a Plymouth Roadrunner again. Then we have one of my ultimate favourites, this is R34 Skyline. It's a shame it's looking a little bit worse to wear, but still one of my ultimate favourites. I think they're going for quite a bit of money now, these. Yeah, sweet looking Skyline. This was called the Bully Goat. Looks like some sort of Camaro. Another one of my favourites is this Mazda. Another sweet looking car. And we have this Camaro. Another cool one when it opens up. advantage. Seen a bit of this car. There's the Aston Martin. Then we have this Riviera, lowrider style. A cool design on it. There's a Riviera. Another one of my ultimate favourites as well was this Eclipse. Big turbo sticking out. Street racing style sponsors on it. Definitely a blast from the past, this girl. She's definitely seen some things. Then we have this Camaro. Camaro. Another Corvette to match the red one up there. Nice looking gold one. And still pretty good condition, which is nice. There's a Corvette. Put it up there with that one. And we have this lowrider truck. Matte black. Street flame. Truck. And we have this lowrider Bonneville. This Impala in the gold bottom, lowrider. A really cool looking car. Gold details on it, the brown looks really nice. So there's the Chevy Impala. We have this Cadillac. There's a Cadillac. S15 Sylvia, which again I wish was in a bit better condition, but still one of my favourites. There's the S15. And last but not least, we have this baby. Which I believe is a Supra. If I'm wrong, let me know what it is. Yeah, there we have it. If I find any more in my loft, I'll definitely do a video on them, but this is my collection of cars from when I was a kid. So let me know in the comments which one you like the best or brings back some memories, or yeah, let me know. Give the video a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.